Hello my dear student, in this video lecture we will study extra questions based on laws of exponent for real numbers. Now the first question over here is simplify 25 raised to the power 3 upon 2 into 243 raised to the power 3 upon 5 upon 16 raised to the power 5 upon 4 into 8 raised to the power 4 upon 3. Now to simplify this question, first it is necessary to remove this 2, 5, 4 and 3. First what we will do over here, it is necessary to remove this 2, 5, 4 and 3. And for removing them, first we will write prime factors of 25, prime factors of 243, prime factors of 16 and 8. So I am writing solution over here. First I will write prime factors of 25, 5 into 5 whole power 3 upon 2. Now 243, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. Now in the denominator, what is given over here? 16. This 16 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 whole power 5 upon 4 into, and this 8 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 whole power 4 upon 3. Now in the next step, now see 5 is repeating itself 2 times, so this thing can be written as 5 power 2 and outside the power is 3 upon 2. Multiply sign. Then 3 is repeating itself 5 times. So I have written 3 power 5 and outside the power is 3 upon 5. Then in the denominator part, 2 is repeating itself 4 times. So 2 raised to the power 4 and outside the power is 5 upon 4 into, then this 2 is repeating itself 3 times and outside the power is 4 upon 3. Now cancel out, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, 4 4 will get cancelled and 3 3 will get cancelled. Then we are left with 5 power 3, I am writing over here, into 3 power 3 upon 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. Now 5 power 3, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So write down 125 over here. 3 power 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 I have written. 2 power 5, 2 power 5 is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And 2 power 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now multiply them. 125 into 27 you will get 3375 and 32 multiplied by 16, this will give you 512. So in this way we have simplified this question number 1. Please note it down. Now question number 2. In this question number 2 you can see that 3 fractions are given. Now all these 3 fractions consist नेगेटिव पार्ट्स. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, ये जो नेगेटिव पार्ट्स हैं इनको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, सो नाउ हाउ टू गेट पॉजिटिव पार्ट्स ओवर हियर, वी विल रेसिप्रोकल ऑल दीज 3 फ्रैक्शंस. So this thing can be written as 16 upon 81 whole power 3 upon 4. Then multiply sign. This will be written as 9 upon 25 whole power 3 by 2. Then divide sign and this will become 2 upon 5 whole power 3. Now next thing is, now to simplify it, we need to remove this 4, 2, correct? We need to remove this 4 and 2, and to remove this we will write prime factors of 16, 81, prime factors of 9 and 25. So देखो, now 16, this 16 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, upon 81 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, whole power 3 upon 4. Then multiplication sign. Now this 9 can be written as 3 into 3 upon 25 will be written as 5 into 5, whole power 3 upon 2. Now remove this divide sign. This divide sign is removed by multiplication sign, and whatever fraction is written over here, it gets reciprocal. So this will become 5 upon 2 whole power 3. Okay, now in the next step, see 2 is repeating itself 4 times, so I am writing 2 power 4 upon 3 is repeating itself 4 times, so I am writing 3 power 4, and outside the power will be 3 upon 4. Okay, into, now over here 3 is repeating itself 2 times upon 5 is repeating itself 2 times, whole power 3 upon 2, into, this thing can be written as 5 power 3 upon 2 power 3. Now see 2 power 4, 3 power 4. So you can see in this fraction power 4 is common. So we can write this fraction in this manner, 2 upon 3, because power 4 is common, so I am writing power 4, and outside it is given 3 upon 4. Then multiplication sign. Now in this fraction power 2 is common, so I am writing 3 upon 5 whole power 2, and outside the power is 3 upon 2, into 5 power 3 upon 2 power 3. Now next thing is the cancellation. 4 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then we are left with 2 power 3 and 3 power 3. So I am writing in this manner, 2 power 3 upon 3 power 3, into 3 power 3. Also this fraction 5 also contain power 3, so I am writing 5 power 3, into 5 power 3 upon 2 power 3. Now 2 power 3 is in the numerator, as well as there is 2 power 3 in the denominator, so they will get cancelled. 3 power 3 is in the denominator, as well as 3 power 3 is in the numerator, they will get cancelled. In the same manner 5 power 3 and 5 power 3, they will get cancelled, and we are left with 1. So this is the simplification of question number 2. Please note it down. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, simplify 16 into 2 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 raised to the power n upon 16 into 2 raised to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power n plus 2. Now to simplify this, it is necessary to remove this n from the exponent. ये जो n है यहाँ पर, ये जो पावर में, इसको हमको क्या करना है, रिमूव करना है, and this can be achieved in this way. See, first I am writing 16 into, now this 2 raised to the power n plus 1, इसको हम break कर देते हैं. So on breaking it, you can write in this manner, 2 power n into 2 power 1 minus 4 into 2 power n, that will be written as it is, upon Now in the denominator I will copy 16 as it is into, then I'll break this 2 raised to the power n plus 2 in this manner. 2 raised to the power n into 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power n into 2 raised to the power 2. Correct? Now in the next step, see, in the start of this lecture what I've told you that we need to remove this power n, and how this can be done. See, what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 power n common from the numerator as well as 2 power n from the denominator. So take 2 power n common. So on taking 2 power n common from the numerator, inside what is left? 16 into 2, that is how much? 32. Then negative sign. On taking out 2 power n, what remains over here? 4. Close the bracket. Then upon sign. Then 16. Then take 2 power n common from the denominator. What remains over here? 16 into 2 power 2. So 16 into, and 2 power 2 is how much? 4. So 16 into 4, that is how much? 64. Then negative sign. After taking out 2 power n, what remains over here? 2 into 2 power 2, and 2 power 2 is how much? 4. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Now this is equal to, now see, 2 power n from numerator and 2 power n from denominator will get cancelled. Now we are left with 32 minus 4 in the numerator. Now 32 minus 4, this is how much? 28. And in denominator we are left with 64 minus 8, which is equal to 56. Now 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56. So your answer will be 1 upon 2. So in this way, right now in this video lecture, we have studied 3 questions based on simplification. Hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you.